Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be creating a Merry and Bright shaker card using the Clearly Besotted Set the Scene stamp set. I'm taking some Nina Solar White cardstock and I'm going to use my VersaFine Onyx Black ink. And I'm just stamping that globe onto there using my stamp press. I'm just cleaning my stamps off with the baby wipe as well. I'm also going to take the Merry and Bright sentiment from the set and again using the VersaFine Onyx Black ink. I really love this ink, it really gives a good impression. And then I'm going to use my X-Acto knife. Unfortunately I do need a new one because it was becoming very difficult to cut. So I just made these little lines and then just cut it out using scissors, and I did make a bit of a mess, so I'm clearing that up with a chameleon black pen. So I'm just folding my card base here ready to put that on, and I'm going to have to trim it down because it doesn't quite fit. So I keep checking it off to the side to make sure it's being cut okay. I'm then taking this Centura Pearl cardstock and I'm cutting that out to fit behind, and then I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to draw around the inside so I know where I want to stamp. And as you can see, I really lined that up but then when I've stamped the images, for some reason it didn't quite line up. I did rub out the line because I wasn't sure whether it would show through the ink, so I thought I'd rub it out and maybe this is where it went kind of wrong. So as you can see there, I've stamped out the little city from the set as well, and I'm also going to stamp the Santa and his reindeers. So now I've placed that back on there, you can see it doesn't line up at the bottom there, and if I thought about it I could have used my black pen to just fill in the bottom there. I don't think that would have made a difference, but instead I decided to do it the hard way and cut it out smaller to try and get it there. So I'm using some dimensional adhesive as well. I'm just going around that pencil line that you can slightly see. So I'm now adding this sequin mix by Lucy. You can also find these on the Clearly Besotted website. I'm just adding them into the centre of the foam tape. So I'm removing that backing and I'm going to place the acetate on top and just give that a shake to get everything moving. I'm then using my wet glue around that hole so I can position the shaker correctly in the right place. So I'm now just making sure I can line that up onto my card base. I'm adding some more foam adhesive on the back and some wet glue, and I'm just placing that down. So if I'd thought about this sooner, I should have stamped these snowflakes before I put the foam tape on the back and everything. And you'll see here in the photo in a minute that one of the snowflakes didn't stamp very well because of that reason, but that's not a problem to me anyway. So here's some photos of the finished card. Don't forget to go along and check out my Instagram and see more of my work over at Karen's Card Craft. Thank you, bye!